Kitch-iti-kipi. This is about half step, going from C to the highest C. How does it work? When you play white key, always use your thumb. When you play black key, you always use the long finger, which is the middle finger. So you're gonna go up one by one from white to black. The only white key and white have no black key. Make sure you use a crab stick, not cross stick. Crab sticks though, the motion will go that way. Start from right hand, C, 1. Start from right hand, C. Black, white, black. Now, key, crab stick, 1 and 2. White, black, crab stick. Back to your C chord. Now, every good boy, so B chord. Tap to get on the B. And then move to C chord. Together. Slow version. Version.